Next one. So volume integral sum. So this is nothing but simply will say that triple integral sum. So already people use triple integrals is nothing but volume integral is nothing but an integral which is evaluated over the volume. So based on the volume, if you are finding the integration, that is nothing but will say that volume integralum. So simply we write a triple integral over the volume d dx dy dz, like this you can write, or simply you can write this one as dv over the volume. So like this also, if you write this form or this form, there is no okay, nothing will wrong. So either this one or this one, any one of that they may write. So here it is, this is also representing volume integral. So if you write triple integral dx dy dz or simply integral dv over the volume, simply you'll say that this is volume integral. It means that here we require the limits of x, y and z. Okay, here we require the limits of x, y, z. So here it is having if f bar is equal to x z I minus xj plus y square k, evaluate integral f bar dv, where v is the region bounded by the surfaces x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, I is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, z is equal to x square, and z is equal to 4. It means f bar is nothing but the given vector. Already what they mentioned the vector, that one we have to choose. And dv is nothing but simply what we can write dx, dy, dz, right? dx, dy, dz. This is nothing but dvm. So simply what we can write here it is having we are going to calculate integral f bar. So simply we'll say that triple integral f bar dz dy dx, and where the limits of z is from x square to 4 and y is from 0 to 6 and x is from 0 to 2 ohm. X is from 0 to 2. X varies from 0 to 2, y is varies from 0 to 6 and z is from x square to 4 ohm. Simply we are going to calculate integration for this. So first what we wrote here, we wrote the vector f bar. So what about f bar? Here it is having 2xzi minus xj plus y square k. dv is nothing but dx dy dz naught. And now first we are going to apply integration. We are separating the terms and then we are applying integration. So here it is having I coefficient is 2xz. So for that I we wrote outside and 2xz we wrote inside of the integrand. And next to j and next to x coefficient. X is only there. And next to k var and y square only here. Here it is the first thing is we need to apply integration with respect to zm. So here it is having x as it is. So 2x as it is actually. So z integration is nothing but z square by 2. 2 to both will cancel. We'll get it as x z square. So that's why they wrote here x z square between the limits x square to 4. And next coming to this, so here it is having x is nothing but constant and integral dz is nothing but zm between the limits x square to 4. And next coming to this, here also y square is a constant, integral dz is nothing but z between the limits x square to 4. Now you can substitute the limits in that in place of z naught. So first we need to substitute x into z square is nothing but, there it is having 4 square is nothing but 16 minus z in place of z x square whole square is nothing but x power 4. 16 minus x power 4. And coming to here, so here also same thing, here in place of z we have to substitute 4 minus x square. And here it is also same thing, y square into 4 minus x square. So and here they took minus as common and then wrote here x square minus 4 none. Okay, now we need to go for integration with respect to ym. So with respect to y means, so if you want you can multiply x inside of that 16x into x 16x minus x power 5 into the derivative of y is nothing but y between the limits 0 to 6. And here also same thing, x into 4 minus x square. So that is nothing but simply what we can write. Here it is having, if you multiply inside of that 4x minus x cube and integral dy is nothing but ym between the limits 0 to 6 naught. In the same way, here it is also minus k into, but here it is having y square we have. So we are applying integration with respect to y. So for that y square integration is y cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 2. Now we need to substitute the limits in that, right? So we need to substitute the limits here. Here is the road right wrong. So I think y limits are what? 0 to 6. So here also 0 to 6. And then we need to substitute the limits and then we'll proceed further. Next, after substituting the limit. So simply what we get it here, it is having, see that. So here it is having, so this is the one. Here it is what we are doing. So simply here it is x into 16 minus x square, x power 4. We multiplied x instead of the terms. And here also x we multiplied instead of the terms. And here it is having y square into y square integration is y cube by 3m. And between the limits 0 to 6, 0 to 6, 0 to 6. And then after substituting the limits, here it is having. So here it is simply what they wrote, direct integration they applied. Why? Because here it is having 16 x into x integration is nothing but x square by 2m minus x power 5 integration is x power 6. So for that this is right. So this is 2 8 jar. So 8x square minus x power 6 by 6 between the limits 0 to 2 and 6 asterisk minus j into, and here also simply we are applying integration with respect to xm, 4x square by 2, right? 4x square by 2, that is nothing but simply what we get it, 2x square minus x cube integration is nothing but x power 4 by 4 between the limits 0 to 2, and here we substitute 6 asterisk minus k into, here it is having x square minus 4 is nothing but, so there it is having, simply we'll get it as x cube by 3, right? So this is x cube by 3 first and minus 4x. Okay, so this is mistake here it is having, actually plus we can write, and then here it is also same thing, we can write it as 4 minus x square, 4 minus x square. Okay, 4 minus x square, 4 x dx integration x and x square integration is x cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 2. Now you can substitute in place of x as first upper limit 2, and no need to substitute lower limit, obviously that becomes 0. So after substituting and simplifying, what we got it, 120i minus 24j minus 384 km. So this is a pattern we need to solve volume integral, same like as triple integrals what we do, but the difference there and here, and there the integrand is nothing but just simply they give the function. Here it is having vector point function, vector function we are taking. Okay, and if it is a scalar also, suppose if they asked to find f bar dot dr bar. Okay, find integral f bar dot dr bar over the volume. It means simply what we need to do, that integral. So f bar is nothing but the what they give there in the problem. Just you have to take the, suppose f bar is 2x zi plus x square yk yj plus and x cube k. So like this, if they give f bar and f bar dot dr bar dv is nothing but simply here it is having 2x dx plus x square y dy plus x cube dz. Yeah, so over the volume v, and a triple integral you can apply and then you can calculate, either it may be scalar product or in some of the cases they may ask to calculate f bar cross dr bar. So it means cross product you need to apply, it means determinant you need to apply, whatever you got it after applying the determinant, for that you need to apply integration. Okay, so this is the one volume integral sum. And now based on this surface integral and volume integrals, line integrals, we are going to prove three theorems actually. So already we completed vector integral in that Green's theorem. So now okay. So this is about that volume integral. Now you see that vector integral theorems. So in that total three theorems we have. So already we completed. So there it is, Green's theorem we completed. Now we are going to see that Gauss divergence theorem. So Gauss divergence theorem is nothing but this is simply, I'll say, the transformation between surface integral and volume integral. It means double integral and triple integral. If it is verified, they may ask the 40 like that. So statement is also very, very important one. Just not remembering only this one. Okay, not remembering only this, not only this. So you need to know that what about V and what about F bar, all those things. Okay. So here it is, let S be a closed surface and closing a volume Vm. So we are taking a closed surface, and that closed surface is enclosing a volume Vm. And if f bar is a continuously differentiable vector point function, suppose the given vector is a derivative, and obviously whatever after getting the derivative, that must be continuous one. Then integral divergence f dv, integral divergence f dv is equal to integral f bar dot n bar dsm. Already we know that f bar is nothing but the continuously differentiable vector, and n bar is nothing but what? Outward unit normal vector at any point of. So here it is, let us be a closed surface enclosing a volume Vm. If f bar is a continuously differentiable vector function, then integral divergence f bar dv is equal to integral f bar dot n bar ds. Divergence f bar is nothing but simply what we can say, that is nothing but del dot f bar, right? It means dot product you need to apply for the vectors, right? So dv over the volume V is equal to integral f bar dot n bar dsm. So f bar is the given vector, and n bar is nothing but outward unit normal vector, and ds is nothing but projection, right? Let R be the projection of the surface in an xy plane or yz plane. So that's why I said if you are profit in line integral, surface integral, obviously you can get it as Green's, Gauss, and Stokes easily. Okay, and volume integral is nothing but here it is. Now let us go to see the problem here. So very important. So Gauss divergence theorem. So first one, verify Gauss divergence theorem for f bar is equal to x cube minus yzi minus 2x square yj plus zk taken over the surface of the cube bounded by the planes x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a, and coordinate planes. So coordinate planes is nothing but there is nothing but xy plane and yz plane and xz plane. So here in xy plane, what about z? 0. In yz plane, x is 0 and xz. So very important problem here it is having. So x limits are in place of here, they can give 1 1 1, like this also they can give none. So just you need to try to understand this one, very important one, 14 marks direct question. Okay, in the Gauss divergence theorem, 14 marks means only two problems. One is cube problem, another one is cylinder problem. So evaluate, they may ask that one. Evaluate in the sense only one is enough. But here it is, I'm 14 marks is nothing but here it is simply you need to apply both of them. So here the divergence theorem is nothing but what we need to prove, that this one we are going to prove. Okay, and one more thing, if verify in the sense, don't write the statement. Okay, don't write this one. So if it is evaluate in the sense, then by using one thing we need to calculate another one. Okay, keep it in mind. Here they wrote like this, but you should not write that one. If you want to write simply what you have to write, by Gauss divergence theorem, we have to prove that. Okay. So it means we need to prove this one. Both LHS is equal to RHS, we need to prove them. Okay. Now, so here it is having simply what they mentioned is by verifying Gauss divergence theorem taken over the surface of the cube. So cube they give total how many faces for cube? 6 faces, right? So by taking these 6 faces, you need to calculate. It means that for getting entire surface, what we require, total 6 faces we require. Integral S1, integral S2 plus integral S3. Like this, we total how many faces? S4 plus integral S5 plus integral S6. So these total 6 faces you need to calculate. By joining all the 6 faces, will get the entire cubome. Okay, so here it is, that one we will do in verification. In that, first what we need to prove, that we need to calculate integral divergence f bar dvm. So divergence f bar is nothing but, so this is f bar, and the divergence f bar is nothing but simply what we'll say, that del dot f bar, right? So del is nothing but, already we know that del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, right? A dou by dou z dot f bar. So f bar is nothing but here it is having x cube minus yz into I minus 2x square yz plus zk. zk. So which is equal. Simply what we need to write, dot product is nothing but I coefficient of dou by dou x of x cube minus yz, and next dou by dou y of minus 2x square y, and so dou by dou x of simply what we wrote there, it is having dou by dou x of f bar so here it is f bar in that I coefficient is x cube minus yz plus dou by dou y of minus 2x square y minus 2x square y plus dou by dou z of z, right? So if you apply with respect to x, means x cube derivative is nothing but 3x square, right? And this is completely zero. Next, dou by dou y of this one is nothing but minus 2x square, and dou by dou z of that one is nothing but plus 1. So it means simply what we got it, x square plus 1 number. This is divergence f bar. So for that, simply what we wrote here, x square plus 1. And here it is having coordinate planes is nothing but simply what we said, there is xy plane, yz plane, and a xz plane. In that xy plane, yz is equal to 0, and yz plane x is equal to 0, and xz plane y is equal to 0. It means the limits of x is from where to where, 0 to a naught, and y limits are from 0 to a, and z limits are from 0 to am. Okay, so these are the limits. So first part one, let's circum integral divergence f bar dv over the volume v. So here it is 0 to a, 0 to a, 0 to a, x square plus 1. First with respect to x, you can do it. Why? Because three are constants only. If it is constants, you can follow the order x, y, z, or z by x, anything further you can follow that if it is a constant, but previous problem not constants, right? So for that, here it is having integral 0 to a, integral 0 to a, x square integration is nothing but x cube by 3 plus 1 integration is x sum between the limits 0 to a naught. And now you can substitute the limits in that. So here it is having a cube by 3 plus am, okay, dy dz. So a cube by 3 plus a as it is. The first with respect to y means integral dy is nothing but y between the limits 0 to am. And then, so a cube by 3 plus a, and here it is having, if you substitute the limits, here it is having a minus 0 is nothing but a. So this is completely constant one, and remaining integral 0 to a dz. So here it is having, so if you apply integration for this, integral dz is nothing but z between the limits 0 to m. After substituting in that, we'll get it again a. So already here it is having a, and again if you apply integration this one with respect to a, we'll get it as a square. And you can multiply this one instead of the terms. If you multiply that, simply what we'll get, a cube into a square is nothing but a power 5 by 3 plus a cube. So this is the one. Any doubt in this one? In first part, see once. Divergence f bar d. We need to calculate the value of integral f bar dot n bar ds. Okay, so over the 6 faces of the cubum. So this is the cube, and these are the 6 faces, right? So what are the 6 faces? Here it is having s1 pq. So already they gave names. So pqasm. So pqas. So here it is having pqas is nothing but, so pq, right? A, yes, right? This is one face. Okay, PQAs. Immediately you can choose, it is better to choose opposite term. So the opposite face is nothing but, here it is having this one, right? So this is the opposite face, right? So this is opposite face, right? So the opposite face is nothing but what? OC or B. This is second one. In the same way, if you are taking third face, so third face is nothing but, suppose if I am choosing this, right? So OA QB, OA QB. And fourth face is nothing, fourth surface is nothing but simply in opposite number. So opposite to this is nothing but simply what we'll get. So that is nothing but PC or PSCR. This is. And next another face is nothing but S5. So what about S5? Here it is having. So here it is simply OC, OCSA. So this is the sixth phase. This is the fifth phase. OCSM. So OCSA. Okay, this is another phase. And next another phase is sixth phase is nothing but here it is having PQBR. This is the sixth phase. Okay, this is the sixth phase. Okay, so those are the total six phases. You need to find six phases here it is having. And one more thing, if it is you need to write n bar directly here. Okay, and positive where opposite phase minus and positive phase plus sum. So here it is first we'll see that let us first one. First phase what we chosen PQASM. So this is the phase, right? PQAS. This is the first phase. And now here it is having, this is the normal vector, right? So x-axis is the normal vector. On x-axis, the normal vector is nothing but Im. Okay, the outward unit normal vector is I. Opposite to this, so opposite to this is nothing but this is another phase. On this phase, that is the outward normal turn is nothing but minus Im. Okay, keep in mind. So in which phase you are choosing? If it is the direction is going towards positive one, then we'll say that there is nothing but Im. If it is towards negative direction, there is nothing but minus sign. Okay. So here it is also. So first phase is simply S1 in PQAS and outward unit normal vector is n bar is equal to I. And this is in which plane now? So this phase is in which plane? So that is the important one. So here it is having I is nothing but opposite to you can choose. Okay. So I is nothing but opposite to that. So opposite is nothing but n bar in అంటే obviously ds is equal to what? dy dzm yz plane. So ds is equal dy dzm. And the point, so on the point here it is having x is equal to m. So x is equal to a, ds is equal to dy dzm. And what about the limits? So here it is so x is equal to point a now. So x is equal to point a. So how to write this one is nothing but simply you have to remember that which one is positive direction on that one. So x point వచ్చేసరికి అది అవుతుంది. So x is equal to a అవుతుంది. And the line వచ్చేసరికి this is the line to parallel to y axis. That's why this is x is equal to a now. And next y limits, obviously z limits, there is no change in that. Y is from 0 to a and z is from 0 to am. And now f bar dot n bar. So f bar already we know that the vector. So f bar dot n bar is nothing but im. In f bar also we need to dot product is nothing but simply f bar dot n bar is nothing but here it is f bar I coefficient and x cube minus yz, right? So for that x cube minus yz and x is equal to what? A none. So for that simply we substituted in place of x as a. So a cube minus yz. Okay, a cube minus yz. So here they wrote here simply since sine x is equal to a. That's why it changes to a cube minus yz. Now you need to find first surface S1 f bar dot n bar ds integral 0 to a integral 0 to a cube minus yz dy dz. And first you have to apply integration with respect to z naught. So if you are applying both are constant, either you can apply with respect to y or z, nothing will wrong. So here first we applied with respect to y. So a cube y minus y integration is nothing but y square by 2 and z asterism between the limits 0 to a. And I substituted the limits here. So after substituting the limit in place of y as a naught. So in place of y as a is nothing but a cube into a is nothing but a power 4 minus a square by 2 into z. Of course, if we substitute lower limit, both the terms become 0. And remaining here it is having, now we need to apply integration with respect to z, right? A power 4z minus a square by 2 into z square by 2. So between the limits here it is having 0 to a naught. So a power 4 into a is nothing but simply a power 5. And here also a power 4 by 4. So this is the first surface we got it, right? A power 5 minus a power 4 by 4. Okay. So these are the points you need to remember. So what are those points here? Diagram is very important. Based on the diagram only we write everything. And names also no need to by heart it. You can give the names as it is. So this is the first phase I chosen. And this is going direction is nothing but x-axis, that is positive direction. So that's why n bar is equal to outward unit normal vector is I. And next here it is having which is parallel to this. This is a parallel to y-axis. The point is here it is having a 0 0. Okay. This is the point. So for that x is equal to a. So simply we wrote here x is equal to a, and we substituted that. Okay, next one, second prism. So what we chose in second phase, immediately you can choose opposite null. So which phase first positive we chosen that phase. So here it is. So this is the second phase, right? So what we chosen is to OC RPM. OC RP. Okay. And next here it is having, this is in which plane? See exactly, is it touching or not? So this is ds is nothing but which plane? This is dy dz none. ds is equal dy dz, and outward unit normal vector opposite to x-axis sum. This is positive one and this is negative direction. So that is nothing but n bar is equal to what we'll get, minus im, minus im. And in yz plane, so this is exactly in yz plane. In yz plane, what about x? X is equal to 0. So for that, simply what we can write, integral f bar dot n bar ds over the surface s is equal s2, not s. So s is equal to integral f bar dot n bar is nothing but simply what we got it here, it is having x cube minus yz, and ds is nothing but which plane we chosen, which plane ani dy dz, right? And what about the limits? Limits, there is no change in that, 0 to a, 0 to a. So also is equal to integral 0 to a, integral 0 to a. Here what about x? X is equal to what? 0 none. So for that, if you substitute 0, what will get? Only minus yz dy dz. Now you can apply integration first with respect to y and then with respect to z, or with respect to z with respect to y. So minus y square by 2 integral 0 to a z integral 0 to am. So z is equal to, if you substitute the limits, minus a square by 2 and z integration is nothing but z square by 2 between the limits 0 to a. And then simply what will get, minus a square by 2 into minus a square by 2. So that is nothing but simply what we'll get, a power 4 by 4 none. So it means simply second one what we got it, first surface S1 what we got it, a power 5 minus a power 4 by 4. And second surface is nothing but what we got it, a power 4 by 4 none. And now we need to calculate third surface sum. Okay. So third surface is nothing but here it is having. So simply here it is third surface, that's your wish. So I'm going to choose this, right? This is the third surface I'm choosing. Okay, this is the third surface. So this is in outward unit normal vector, which axis? Y-axis. On y-axis, that is positive 1. So for that, simply we'll take it as j. On x-axis I, y-axis j, and z-axis km. So outward unit normal vector n bar is equal to how much? N bar is equal to j. And next, this is in which plane? So opposite to this one. So this is exactly in which one among ds, right? So ds is equal to, simply we write it as dx dz. ds is equal to dx dz. And next, here it is having x, here it is having y-axis one. So it means that simply this is a y is equal to am. Y is equal to a. And now here it is f bar dot n bar. So f bar dot n bar is equal. What about the vector? Here it is having, so x cube minus. So here it is vector is nothing but, what about vector? So here it is, the vector f bar is x cube minus yz. This is the one, right? See here, x cube minus yz and minus 2x square y. So j coefficient is minus 2x square ym. So simply we have to write, here it is having f bar dot n bar is nothing but minus 2x square y, right? Okay. So f bar dot n bar is nothing but simply what we get, minus 2x square y. And now you have to find this surface. So integral S3 f bar dot n bar d ds. So this is nothing but simply here it is having minus 2x square y, and the surface is nothing but here it is having ds is nothing but which one dx dz between the limits same as 0 to a 0 to a. And now here it is having y is nothing but what a naught. See here y is equal to a. So simply integral 0 to a integral 0 to a minus 2x square into y is nothing but a. So a dx dz. So this is equal to minus 2 constant and a is also constant, right? And here it is first we have to apply integration with respect to zm. So with respect to z is nothing but z between the limit 0 to a and dx. Here it is having minus 2a into, after substituting limit you will get it as a. So this is 2a square and x square integration is x cubed by 3 between the limits 0 to a. So minus 2 into a square into a cube is nothing but a power 5 by 3m. So minus 2a power 5 by 3 now. So this is the one. Okay, this is S3m. And suppose if I am going to choose S4, so that is nothing but opposite face. This is right. So this is the opposite face, right? Okay, and this is opposite to y-axis, right? So opposite to y-axis is nothing but n bar is equal to minus jm. N bar is equal to minus u, and this is exactly in xz plane. If it is in xz plane, what about y? Y equal to 0. And integral f bar dot n bar ds. So f bar dot n bar we calculated already. So this is equal to integral f bar dot n bar is nothing but minus 2x square y dx dz. So here it is. What about ym? So y is equal to 0. So obviously this is also what will happen 0 now. Okay, simply. So S4 is 0. Next we are going to calculate S5. So here it is having S5 is nothing but suppose you can this is S5, right? This is S5. Here it is. What about this is in Z, right? So n bar is equal to what? K n. N bar is equal to Km. And next here it is having F bar dot n bar we require and ds is equal to. So z unante z axis is nothing but opposite to this end of dx dy dx dy and f bar dot n bar you can calculate. So f bar dot n bar. So here the f bar vector we require. So f bar is nothing but simply what we can choose. So z, right? Here it is k coefficient is zm. So for this simply what we can write, here it is having z naught. F bar dot n bar is equal to z only, right? And now you can calculate this integral f bar dot n bar ds over the surface s is equal to. So see this f bar dot n bar is ds zm. Here it is having, and this is having opposite to this, opposite to xy plane. So there it is having z is nothing but simply you can substitute z is equal to a naught. So integral 0 to a, integral 0 to a. Here it is having zm only a, and here it is having dx dz naught. So this is equal to a is a constant, integral 0 to a. First with respect to x is sum, integral 0 to a dz. So a if you substitute in that a square, integral 0 to a, and here it is having dz. So this is equal to a square into integral dz is nothing but z between the limit 0 to. So there it is having simply what we'll get a cube. So this is S5. And now finally what we have only S6 now. So what about S6? This is S6. This is the surface S6. Okay. So S6 is here it is having OACS. And exactly in which plane this is? ds is equal to xy plane, right? dx is equal to dx dy. And here it is having what about z in xy plane? Z is 0. So obviously f bar dot n bar is equal to z. So that is nothing but z, 0. So it means simply integral f bar dot n bar ds over sixth phase s is ds is equal to 0. Now we need to add all those surfaces what we calculated. We require the entire cube. So for the total 6 spaces we need to write. So here it is, you can see that first one a power 5 minus a power 4 by 4m. And next, what about second one? Here it is having, so second one, the 0, and fifth one minus 2 a power 5 by 3, and sixth one is this, and sixth one this one. And now we need to add all those things, right? See here. So if we add all these 6 phases, so this is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. We got it 2 zeros, right? And here it is, and this is for first surface, we got it. This is for second surface, third, and fifth, this one. So by simplifying this one, here it is having minus a cube as it is, and here it is having a power 5 by 3m. A power 5 by 3 plus a cube. This is nothing but obviously what we got it, integral divergence f bar d. So that is simply, hence Gauss divergence theorem is verified. Okay. Second problem. Compute integral ax square plus by square plus cz square ds over the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1m. So here it is having, they didn't mention anything verify. So it means we can calculate. It means already what they gave, f bar dot n bar ds they gave now. Is this in the form of this one or not? Integral f bar dot n bar ds they give. Surface is here, it is having x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1m. Sphere they give, sphere equation. By using divergence theorem, simply we need to calculate integral divergence f bar d. So this one we need to calculate. Already they gave this, we have to calculate this. But for calculating this, first what we require, f bar we require, right? So given f bar dot n bar is equal to this, and phi is equal to, this is the given surface, we give phi f. And then simply what we can write, normal vector we are going to find the surface. So normal vector n bar is nothing but simply what we'll write, del phi by mod less del phi, right? Del phi by mod less del phi. So here it is, first del phi is nothing but, so del is nothing but I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. And phi is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. And if we apply the derivative, so simply what we'll get it, here it is having, so here it is simply we'll get it as dou by dou x of x square is 2x, and this is 2y, and this is 2zm. So 2xi plus 2yz plus 2z. So you need normal vector del phi by mod less del phi, and here it is having 2xi plus 2yz plus 2zk by 2 into square root of 4x square 4y square 4z square is nothing but 2 outside, and this is simply already they gave x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1m. So and 2 both will cancel. So what about remaining, xi plus yz plus z. Now f bar dot n bar is equal. So simply already we know that what they mentioned, f bar dot n bar is equal, simply what they gave in the problem, ax square plus by square plus cz square. This one they gave, and f bar dot n bar is nothing but we already calculated. What we got it, xi plus yz plus zkm. So this is f bar dot this one, right? So this is equal to ax square plus by square plus cz square. Can you how they wrote, ax square axi plus byz plus czk dot this one. If you multiply these two, are you getting same or not? Ax into xm, ax square, by into y, by square, cz into z, cz square. So it means simply what we can write, f bar is nothing but here it is having axi plus byz plus czk. This is f bar nut. Okay. Now here it is having f bar dot divergence f bar m. So divergence f bar is equal. Simply if you apply derivative for this dot product, I coefficient is ax. Dou by dou x of this one is nothing but a, and this is nothing but b, and this is nothing but c. Dou by dou x of ax, dou by dou y of by, and dou by dou z of czm. So this is by divergence theorem. Simply what we will write, integral a plus b plus c into dv over the volume. So this is equal to, simply a plus b plus c is a constant, we can write outside a plus b plus c integral dv over the volume vm. So here it is, already we know that the formula. So right, integral dx dy dz are simply integral dv over the volume. And here it is, what about the surface theorem? So it means volume of the sphere. No need to write the limits and no need to calculate all this. Simply here is volume of the sphere. So a plus b plus c into volume of the sphere you can write. Volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere is nothing but simply we can write that formula. Okay. So for that pi r cube. R is nothing but here it is having 1 up. So for that pi r cube. Okay. See that only here we have 4 by 3 into pi plus b plus c pi r. So this is for that pi r. Okay. So that only here we calculate. No need to write the limits, nothing, all those things. Simply here it is, since v is equal to 4 third pi r cube is the volume of the sphere of unit radius. So this is the second part. This is just to compute or evaluate or apply divergence theorem. In that case, you need to find like this. Okay. And next. So by transforming into triple integral, evaluate this. Evaluate this, where S is the closed surface consisting of the cylinder. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. And the circular disk xz is equal to 0 and z is equal to bm. It means already they give what they give, divergence f bar they give, right? So they gave here it is having f bar dot n bar ds sum. So another form of divergence theorem also like this we can write. See here. Here we wrote double integral f1 dx dy dx dz and dx dy is equal to integral divergence f bar dx dy dz. Okay. So based on this, simply what we can define, f bar is nothing but what is the vector f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So here f1 is nothing but x cube and f2 is nothing but x square y and f3 is nothing but x square z naught. X square y and x square only not x square m. And then simply here it is having so here x square z naught. X square z. Now we need to apply partial derivative. X cube derivative is nothing but 3x square and x square y derivative is nothing but x square, and here x square z derivative is nothing but x square. Now we require divergence f bar, right? Del dot f bar is equal nothing but dou f by dou x plus dou f1 by dou y plus dou f1 by dou f3 by dou z. Simply what we can write, 3x square plus x square plus x square. So simply what we can write, 5x square. Okay, so this is divergence f bar now. And now here it is having cylindrical dimension. Here it is having z limits already they give. Z is equal to 0, z is equal to bm. So this is the cylinder one in circular disc. In z is equal to 0 and z is equal to bm. Okay, so this is the line z is equal to b and this is the line z is equal to 0. Okay. By taking this, we need to calculate limits and then find the integration for this. So here it is having, let us see that. So 5x square dx dy dz. So here throughout, so we are taking throughout is here. So x square plus y square is equal to a square, right? And z is equal to 0 to b already we mentioned. So x square plus y square is equal to a square is nothing but the mentioned in first octant or second octant. In xy plane, it changes to two-dimensional. This is here it is having simply if you are choosing that xy plane. In that we have to choose the vertical strip, right? So if I am choosing vertical strip, here it is having y square is equal to a square minus x square, and y is equal nothing but plus or minus square root of a square minus x square. It means y limits are from minus square root of a square minus x square to plus square root of a square minus x square. And for getting x limits is nothing but here it is having what about the limits, minus a to 0 and this is nothing but a to 0. the entire curve is bounded between the points minus a to plus a. So minus a to plus a. So that's why here it is, we wrote the limits is from x is from minus a to a, y is from minus this one, and z is from this. And if you apply integration first with respect to zm, so 5 into integral minus a to a, integral minus square root of a square minus x square to square root of a square minus x square as it is. Integral dz is nothing but z between the limits 0 to bm. So this is a constant, simply we can write outside 5b, and minus a to a, and integral x square into, if we substitute the limits, so simply here it is, and with respect to y means y will get minus square root of a square minus x square to plus square root of a square minus x square dx. So 5b into, here it is having minus a to a x square into, so if you take this, if you substitute the limits in that, square root of a square minus x square, and again if you substitute the limits, we'll get it as square root of a square minus x square dx. So it means 2 into this 10b into integral minus a to a x square into square root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. Now here it is having, we have to choose whether x is equal to a sine theta, and then we need to convert. Before that, you can simplify easily that. For getting this, simply this is a even function. So for that, simply we can write 10b into 2 into integral 0 to a x square into square root of a square minus x square dx. So this is a even function. So that is 20b into, and then x is equal to a sine theta, and then simply you can simplify this one. So that one simplification we'll see here. And then here we wrote, see, we got it this one or not? 20b into, simply what we got it here, it is having, see, x square into square root of a square minus x square. Put x is equal to a sine theta, and dx is equal to a cos theta, and if x is equal to a, theta equal to pi by 2, x is equal to 0, theta equal to 0, and then you need to simplify this. So here it is having, if you simplify 20 a square b constant, and I think here also a square you can take common, that comes to a, and integral 0 to pi by 2. Here it is having, what about remaining? Sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square is cos square root. These two cancel, and cos already there, cos square theta. This one. And you can multiply with 4 and divide with 4 and then simplify. So that one we can apply. See here. See, sine square theta, cos square theta, and we multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Divide with 4, multiplied with 4. And we applied here cos square 2 theta, sine square 2 theta, 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2. And by simplifying, we got it as 5 4 pi a power 4t. This is that. So this is the problem. And most probably next 2 classes or 3 classes